Your first 1,000 subscribers are the hardest to get, but once you reach the milestone, YouTube start recommending your videos to more people. They start recommending your videos to new people. They start recommending your videos to everyone else. The truth is, most creators don't get to 1,000 subscribers not because they are untalented, not because they don't work hard, and not because they don't edit well, not because they are not as good as you or someone else should be, but because they keep repeating the mistakes they've been making over and over and over again. If you're tired of uploading videos and getting just 10 to 20 views every single time you upload your video, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you the exact strategy that you're going to use and get to these 1,000 subscribers and reach this milestone that YouTube can start recommending your videos to more subscribers, to more viewers, to more people. And these are practical tips that you can start using them today, and you'll see your YouTube grow faster than you ever thought. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last one is one most small YouTubers ignore, and it makes a huge difference. Let's get into it. Number 10, pick a clear niche. The biggest mistake most small YouTubers make is they assume everything works for a channel. They create content randomly. Today is football, tomorrow is motivation, next tomorrow is AI creation, another day is sports. When your content is all about everything, YouTube struggles to recommend your videos to people. They struggle to know who they should show your content. Choose one clear niche and stay consistent for 30 to 50 videos. Number 9, solve real problems. People don't subscribe because you upload a video. They subscribe because your channel or your content or your video help them solve a particular problem, or always help them to solve a problem. Ask yourself, what does my channel, what does my content help my audience solve? Then create videos that answer those questions better than everyone does. Number 8, create clickable thumbnails. Even the best video on YouTube now will not get clicks if the thumbnails does not look clickable. Create thumbnails that looks clickable, that is eye-catching. Use only a few keywords, show emotions, have bright contrast, focus on the clear idea, and remember, more clicks always leads to more viewers. Quick question: how many subscribers do you currently have? Type it in the comment section. Let's see how many future successful creators we have in this video. Number 7, write better titles. Your titles should create curiosity without misleading your audience of a different content while giving them a different titles. The goal is to make more people curious to click on your videos, and not to make them look at your thumbnails and then scroll or swap away or swap off. Number 6, hook viewers immediately. Your first 30 seconds of your video determines either people will keep watching or they will scroll. So hook viewers immediately they start on your first 30 seconds of the video. And I've always talked about this. Don't always say, hi guys, welcome back to my channel or whatsoever, but make sure you start with exactly what your video is going to talk about and what they are going to gain while watching your video or after watching your video. And number 5, upload consistently. Consistency doesn't mean that you need to upload every single day, but you do need to upload videos consistently, whether it's once, twice, or 3 times a week. But you should have a timing that your audience will always be aware that on this time or this creator is going to drop a video. That is the consistency. Not every single day, not a must for you to be posting videos daily. Number 4, study successful YouTubers. I've always talked about this also, that you should always study what successful YouTubers that are on your own niche have been talking about, have been posting, because success leaves clues. Just pay attention to their titles, their thumbnails, their keywords, their tags, their hooks, their storytelling. And the secret is, don't copy them. Just learn why people keep watching their videos, why people choose to keep on watching their videos until the end. Number 3, improve one thing every video you drop. Improve one thing in every of your video. Don't try to become perfect overnight, but make sure you improve something in every of your uploads. Always have in mind that what should I improve next time. Maybe my titles, maybe my audio, maybe my video, maybe my editing, but make sure you improve on one side every time you upload a new video. Maybe your thumbnail, your editing. Small improvements can add up over time. Number 2, ask viewers to subscribe at the right time. So many people make this mistake of starting their channel by asking viewers to subscribe to their channel when they have not given the value that they were supposed to give, while they have not even said what they are supposed to say, while they have not even made the viewers gain something from their channel, but they start with asking viewers to subscribe to their channel, which is the wrong timing, and it's the wrong time for you to ask your viewers to subscribe for you. But make sure you ask your viewers to subscribe to your channel at the right time. Always make sure you provide the value that your video is going to give them before asking your viewers to subscribe. Once viewers learn something much more useful, they are much likely to subscribe to your channel if you ask them to. At number 1, focus on watch time, not views. There's a difference between watch time and views. Focus on the watch time and not the views, and this is where many creators go wrong. A video with fewer views but excellent watch time can outperform the video with poor audience retention. Keep viewers watching by using a storytelling, adding pattern interrupts, showing examples, removing boring sections from your videos, and also building curiosity on what's going to come next. The longer people watch your video, the more likely YouTube to recommend your videos to new viewers, to new audience. And if you are still under 1,000 subscribers, don't get discouraged. Every successful YouTuber you see today started with 0 subscribers. The difference is they keep improving, they keep uploading video even when there was nobody to watch their videos, but they didn't give up, they keep it up. Your next video could be the video that will change everything about your channel, only if you continue. And if you find this video helpful, you can consider to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment in the comment section because in this channel I share videos on how to use AI and make better videos, and I also share how to work from home. I also share how to make money on YouTube, and I also share how to make money online. And in this channel I share videos on how to grow as a beginner YouTuber. Now I want to hear what's your biggest challenge on YouTube right now. Leave your comment in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Peace.